Okay guys, let's get started. So I am working on the clean slash blowout hair. So today we are going to be using the mean grip edge control as our braiding gel, however you want to say it. So right now guys, I am about to part out the back of her hair, and when I part it out, I'm going to put a little edge control into the part to kind of make the part much neater. And once I'm done that, I'm pretty much going to braid her natural hair. So pretty much I'm going to part her hair out into each section, braid it, because when I come back, I'm pretty much going to just use a what is it called? I totally forgot what it's called. It is the little needle that you use to put the hair through. I can't even think, guys. But anyway, so yeah, we're going to be using that to put the hair through. But yeah, you guys, just continue to watch, and by then my thoughts would have came in. Really quickly guys, I just wanted to come in and say, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I don't see why you're not. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And if you have watched the video this far, definitely give me a thumbs up, because you went this far and this is a long video. So definitely give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos of me braiding hair or doing whatever I do on my channel. So definitely give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. It's free to do so. You don't have to pay any money. It's free. Just hit that subscribe button. Okay guys, so I am done with braiding her natural hair, and here is the hair that we're going to be using to put through her natural hair. And as you can see, I am using the crochet needle. I remember guys, I remember what it is now. So pretty much I'm putting the hair through the needle through the hair and pulling the hair through her natural hair. And pretty much I am going to make the hair even, and I'm gonna begin to wrap it around. So the top part, I am wrapping it around pretty tight, but as I move down, I am kind of loosening my turns up a little bit. But yeah, I am kind of loosening it up, and while I'm loosening it, my thumb is there, and I'm kind of pulling out hair to kind of give it that butterfly look. So yeah, you guys, again, I'm horrible when it comes to explaining stuff because I can do it, but when it comes to explaining to other people, I feel like I'm horrible with that. But anyway, you guys see what I'm doing on camera. Okay guys, so I am finished my first row, and this is how it looks. Mind you guys, I don't think I said it, but she is getting the short butterfly locks. This is, I believe, my second time doing this on her hair. The first time I did it, she didn't like it. She claimed that I didn't do it right, even though I've been braiding hair for over 20 plus years, baby. So she can't come tell her mama that she didn't do it right. You heard me? Like, what's her problem? But anyway, so this is her second time getting this done on her hair. My child, all she does is wear braids, guys. She said it's much easier. She don't have to worry about combing her hair. Thank God she has a mama that knows how to do hair, right? Because baby daddy would have had some problems with paying for getting some braids done. But anyway, guys, we're pretty much repeating the steps throughout the head. So just continue to watch, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so we're still working here, but I just kind of wanted to come in to kind of show you guys this braid here that I'm doing. You see how it's sticking up? So in the end, I know most people with these type of braids, these butterfly locks, do not dip the hair in water, hot water. But in the end, I am going to dip it in hot water because with the hot water, it just kind of makes it a little loose and make it flow a little better. So I did dip it in hot water, but the only thing with the hot water, you have to watch because the hot water will unravel the hair a little bit. So you just have to be careful with that, not leaving the hair to like sit in the water too long, because again, it will kind of unravel the hair. But if not, like dipping it in hot water will give it a little more flow to it. And I did kind of like that. But yeah, you guys, we are, pretty much finishing up. So just continue to watch. Okay guys, so right now we are finishing up. I believe I only have like 3 or 2 more left, and of course I'm not going to record it all, but we are finishing up, and before you know it, we're going to come to the end, and bam, here you go, finished look. It came out really cute guys, and I told you in the end I did dip it in hot water. So if you like this look, definitely give me the thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.